Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a good cup of tea without sugar. Now, if you want to enjoy a cup of tea, but you don't want all the calories that come along with sugar, there's some simple ways to spice up your cup of tea to have more flavor so that you can enjoy the tea without sugar. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to be using a chai tea. Now, chai tea is a blending of black tea and spices such as cinnamon or nutmeg that actually add a lot of body and a lot of flavor to the cup of tea. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our tea bag of chai tea that you can buy at your local grocery store down the coffee and tea aisle. We're going to place that into our cup here. Then we're going to take some boiling water and we're going to pour that over the tea bag. Now it's important when you're pouring your water over your tea bag that you completely submerge the tea bag in the water. And the reason for this is to make sure that it infuses properly into the water. Now with chai tea, we're going to allow this tea bag to sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can bob the tea bag up and down periodically in order to help the water work its way through the tea bag and it'll infuse more evenly and effectively into your hot water. Now once the tea bag is done steeping after those 2 to 3 minutes, you can then take a spoon and place some pressure against the tea bag to the spoon to get rid of some of that extra liquid. And then we're going to discard of that tea bag. Once we've discarded that tea bag, then what I like to do when I'm trying to drink tea without sugar is to add some milk or cream. And again, if you're trying to cut in calories, you can use non-fat or low-fat milk. But I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of milk or cream to my beverage, and then I'm going to stir it around to make sure all of that blends well. And again, with chai tea, there's various spices that are in this, so they add a lot of flavor to the cup of tea. It's just not a bland cup of black tea. I like to top it off with some cinnamon for some extra flavor, and it's also great on a cold day to enjoy that. So once you have that all complete, you have your excellent cup of tea that you can enjoy any time of the year. My name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and I hope you enjoy your good cup of tea.